A good Wednesday morning. We have a lot to talk about. One, the wind speeds. Stick around. I'm sorry if you don't like windy days. I'm definitely not a huge fan. Tonight, breezy conditions though, and an evening storm is possible. And really the best chance is going to be tomorrow morning, really early in the morning. And then for New Year's Eve, windy and cooler. So the winds just stick around. They don't want to go anywhere. So the cold front starting to push through the DFW area, and I've mentioned this all morning. There's a lot of snow and ice and sleet behind this front. Now, a lot of that will get into West Texas, maybe even the northwestern part of the hill country. That's right by San Antonio, but I think that's where it stops. It's not going to get here. It's really continuing to push up with that Gulf moisture, pop up some showers this morning. But as far as those wind speeds are concerned, they're not dying down. Out of the south and southeast, and everyone's in the teens right now. 12-mile-per-hour wind speeds in Weslaco, Mercedes sitting at around 13-mile-per-hour wind speeds, Edinburgh 13, Brownsville 16, and McAllen 18. Now, as the day goes on, the wind speeds continue to ramp up. Now, the winds will really start to howl in the afternoon, mainly toward Cameron and Willacy County. Now, this map is saying by midnight, the cold front is really starting to push through Starr County. Everyone else not seeing that front yet. It's until 8 a.m. where that front is completely through the valley, but because the wind speeds continue to ramp up, there is a wind advisory. From 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. we're expecting wind gusts of 40 miles per hour. So everyone in the pink shading, Cameron and Willacy County, you guys are under that wind advisory. Everyone else, it'll be windy, just not windy enough for that wind advisory to start to pop up. Now, as far as temperatures this morning are concerned, we are very warm. A lot of this cloud cover allowing us to stay warm. So 69 degrees in Edinburgh, 68 in Weslaco, everyone else in the low 70s. And because we're already in the upper 60s, low 70s, we're going to continue to heat up. Low 80s today, that's what we'll top out at. So we are unseasonably warm this morning. We stay unseasonably warm this afternoon. But by 8 p.m., look at that rain chance increasing to 70%. So throughout the day, 20% chance of rain, 70 this evening and into tonight, 20% chance of rain tomorrow morning. Now that 20% chance of rain is mainly before noon, and after that, we dry out. Now, ahead of the cold front, with this rain chance, with us being so warm, there is a marginal risk for severe weather. Scale of 1 to 5, this is a 1. This is the smallest risk that you can have, and that's for Cameron and Willacy County. But notice the western ends of those counties not in that. That doesn't rule out a straight, well, that just changed. So now everyone except for the western end of Starr County in that marginal risk. So what can we expect? Well, damaging winds. The threat for hail is there, but it's very small. The tornado risk is extremely low. So again, this just changed, and that is for Hidalgo County, Cameron County, Willacy County, and the eastern part of Starr County. So for the rest of the day, as far as we're concerned, throughout the day, partly cloudy skies. Now the rain chance starts to increase after midnight, but even with that rain chance and the front coming through, FUTURETRACK not showing a lot of reds, not a lot of oranges, not a lot of yellows. When you get those red, orange, yellow colors, those are thunderstorms, and they can sometimes be severe thunderstorms. So we're watching that for you, but right now it is a very, very low risk. The cold front does its job. It cools us off. 63 degrees by tomorrow. Overnight low for New Year's Eve in the upper 30s. So by midnight, hitting in the upper 40s. By New Year's Day, 67 degrees, and then we start to heat up into the weekend and into your next work week. So we'll continue tracking that for you, and that's your first 4 and 5 AccuWeather forecast.